I don't like this third ramp for a lot of reasons. One is here, I don't know if you can tell, these are some pretty steep aluminum ramps. They've got good sturdy handles, but it's a sharp drop down to the beach there. And then the rest of it, you know, for us, kind of an annoying slope up, and no real handrails here, just the split logs on either side for quite a distance until you make it over to here where there's some nice new handrails. But it's, you know, if they're only for part of the distance, then really what good are they? And I'm walking in a lot of deep sand, although it's sand mixed with clay. It's a little heavier. And then there's about 10 steps going up pretty steep. So I think this one, advantage is that it empties out right into the portalet food area, but it's a little bit of a walk from the closest handicap spots there, and the access is not easy.